Hello students, we're going to be teaching you how to do linear programming. You're going to need a computer with Microsoft Excel and Solver. We are already assuming that you know how to use Solver, so let's review the problem.
Our first step to solving a linear equation is to find our two x variables. In this scenario, country tables will be labeled as x1 and the contemporary tables will be labeled as x2. Second, we will identify the prices of each variable. In this equation, the prices are 350 for x1 and 450 for x2 as shown in the problem. For the first constraint, we will look at the numbers for the router machine in the table. You will assign each number given to a variable. For this problem, I will take the number 1.5 and multiply it by x1, showing country tables. We will then take x2 and multiply it by 2, representing contemporary tables. After you assign each number a variable, add them together and form an equation. Because the total time is given, we must set these constraints less than or equal to the amount given per week because it cannot exceed that amount. We will now do this to the next two machines. First, we will make a constraint for x1 variable country tables. To do this, you must add x1 and x2, then multiply it by the first percentage given, which is 20%. Set that less than or equal to x1 country tables like so. We will then do this to the second percentage as well. Solver is found in the Data tab on the top toolbar in the right-hand side. We will click on Solver and a box will pop up looking like this. We will click our maximum revenue function cell. Next, we will select both variable cells. We will now put in our constraints. Now we will select the cells for the different equations for the left-hand side. Set them greater than or less than to the given amounts in the middle, and select the given amount cells in the right-hand side. Press OK and the constraints have been set. The final step is to change the solving method as simplex LP because it is a linear problem. As we can see, the maximum revenue has changed and the desired variables have also changed to the desired amount.
Now you know how to do linear programming.